Okay, in this tutorial, we will learn that how we can convert a vector of coefficients into its corresponding polynomial or symbolic polynomial. First, in order to go towards some sort of complicated equations, first you must know that how to write a vector. So we will write a vector that is 1 and 4 and 6 and 13 and 7. Here this is our vector and its name is E. When we will press enter, all the values are assigned to this vector E. Now if we want to convert these coefficients or vector of coefficients into its corresponding symbolic polynomial, then we have a command that is called as poly2 sim of E. It will convert the coefficient of polynomial into its symbolic. Yes, now you can see that the first integer is, because it starts from number 7, that is 2 raised to the power 0. So here when x raised to the power 0 is 1, 7 is as it is, then 13 x raised to the power 1, so it is 13x raised to the power 1, then 6x raised to the power 2, so here it's 6x raised to the power 2, and here it's 4x raised to the power 3, because 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4x raised to the power 3. So here you can see that it is 4x raised to the power 3, and here is 1, and that is 1x raised to the power 4, and here you got your symbolic polynomial. But either it is in good shape, I don't think it is, so we will use pretty function to give it a proper shape. And here you can see that we have given it a proper shape. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the conversion of coefficients within a vector into its corresponding symbolic polynomial. So thanks for watching.